You know what's the hardest part of adulting? Yung umiiyak at breakdown ka hindi dahil sa love life, but because of responsibilities, expectations, and disappointments. Yung alam mo, pagod ka na pero hindi ka pwedeng magpahinga kasi ang daming bagay ang nakasalalay sa'yo.
You are my life. You're the lamp upon my